What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Make It or Break It Monday, the show that helps you get your head right so you can start your week right. So Monique and I were hanging out in the backyard with the dogs earlier today, having a mini little picnic, having fun, and Riley, our oldest dog, thought he would make it an eventful day today for us by sneaking and eating a grape. And if you guys don't know, grapes are horrible for dogs and very toxic, so in under 30 minutes we were at the emergency vet clinic, and the grape was out of Riley, and he is now good and kind of relaxing and hanging at the house. But it got me thinking, like, what if we wouldn't have made that decision to take him, right? I mean, yeah, it's just like one little grape, and how bad could it really be? And yeah, he's only small and 15 pounds, but maybe he'll be okay. It's just like, him is Riley, right? Our puppy. He has no choice in the matter at all. He has complete faith in Monique and I to hopefully make the right decisions to make sure that we have his well-being at heart. And it's really got me thinking about the difference between like faith and like audacious faith, where to me, like, faith is like being proud and having belief and trust, and like audacious faith is just like brave, strong, bold, unwavering, like feeling like empowered. And sometimes in life, like, fear paralyzes faith. We get scared when somebody attacks us or tries to put us down. And if you think about like different quote unquote enemies that we might have in our lives, whatever that influence might be, a lot of the time enemies will try to attack your weaknesses because they know you're a little bit vulnerable in those specific areas. But I want you guys to pay attention here. Some of your biggest enemies will actually attack your strengths. Because if someone can attack your strengths and make you feel like, maybe I am not that, or there's some level of influence that starts to bring or make you question those different strengths that you have. And when that happens in those situations, people do that because they attack your strengths because they know you can't fall back on your weaknesses. So you need to have awareness. You need to have audacious faith. Then you will overcome these different mountains and obstacles and enemies and different things inside your life. So when things get hard or when we fail, it's so funny how we forget about all the strengths that actually got us to where we are today. We beat ourselves up, we put ourselves down, we dwell on the failure, question everything we've ever known, and it's just like we break down. We forget all the foundation that we've been laying all these years of our lives. And you just have to remember, there's like so much noise around us that innately puts us down, and by you adding noise to it and putting yourself down, obviously doesn't help move that piece forward. But just remember this: feelings and emotions are just reactions to experiences. Feelings and emotions are just reactions to certain experiences that you have. And if you ever wonder what that means, like, think about a time where you're really happy or really sad, or one thought that drew those emotions out of you, and it's really that simple. You can think about something and you can completely change your mood, or one thing can happen and you can completely flip. So I want you guys to think about this in a positive light. Think about when you were at your best. Think about like an event or competition or presentation that you just felt amazing, or a picture that you took that you were just so like proud of, or that you were in and then you just felt like you were at your best. And I want you to put that in the forefront of each and every day. And I want you to picture that moment every single time you doubt yourself, because every time you've gone up against something and you've delivered and pushed through it, that's what you need to bring. That's what you need to bring to deliver again inside the future. And I just want you guys to remember, there's a difference between faith and audacious faith. When you have audacious faith, man, you're not using other people as a replacement. The audacious faith is in your own abilities, your ability to overcome. Audacious faith gives you power, audacious faith gives you self-discipline, and audacious faith gives you strength. So for this week, remember that. Get all the enemies out of the way, everything that puts you down. Remember, you can be that person that's in that picture, in that event, or in that presentation where you just killed it. And you can be that all week. So go out and do it.